Hello everyone, and this is Desi, and in this video I want to talk about Ask AiMY, which is our newest feature. So AiMY is an automated document reading for job entry. So this feature is going to make data entry process faster, saving you time and saving you from having to type so much. So the first thing you want to do is just go to jobs, and then from here we're just going to go to the add a new job window. So once you get into this window, you're going to see Ask AiMY up here. So when you click on that, it's going to expand, and then you can just click here, select the document for the job that you want to create, or you can just drag and drop the PDF file. So for my example, I'm just going to go ahead and drag and drop this PDF file here. Now, disclaimer down here, it says AiMY can read and process up to 3 pages of text. Using the plus or minus sign below, please specify which page Ask AiMY should read first. This should be the page that contains the survey, the name, the address, the plaintiff, defendant, and any other case information. This is usually the summons, subpoena, writ, etc. So for my document here, I want to start from the summons. So as I'm scrolling to see where the summons is, I see that it's on page 4. So I'm going to go ahead and indicate to start the reading on page 4. So then I'm going to go ahead and click process. And then we're just going to wait here for AiMY to do its reading. So she's picking up on case information. She's picking up on the defendant, the plaintiff, the case number. She's picking up on any possible like client reference numbers or court dates. She's picking up on, the party to be served and the attorney. So after she's done, she's going to drop us on this window. Here we have our document. So we're starting with the case. If the case would have been in the database, all we had to do was hit accept and move forward. It was not found, so we're just going to click create new case. From here, you don't really have to type the case. You just have to verify that the information is correct. So the case number, the plaintiff, we have our plaintiff information here. We have our defendant information. And then we have the state of Florida, Orange County, and then small claims. The attorney, I did have the attorney in my database, so I can go ahead and hit accept on this. And then I'm going to search for the client that I'm going to bill for. So accept that. There was a reference number up here, so it filled it out. If that is the client reference number, you can leave it. If not, you can take it out. And then you get to fill out the documents that are missing. It did pick up on the complaint, so I'm just gonna add my summons and complaints. And then if there's more documents, obviously you get to fill that out. And then the party to be served. It is a business entity. It filled out State Farm Mutual Automobile Insurance Company. The in care of was not filled out. You can just do that part. Anything that's kind of missing, you can just do it quickly. But as you can see, it's very little what you're actually typing in. So the address is here, and then the attachment is going to add it. You can make it viewable by server if your server is going to print it out, or, whatever you desire. And then lastly, we're just going to go ahead and create the job. So new job was created. Let's click close. And then the one thing that you will still need to do is add any comments if there's any instructions that you need to, give to your server so that it goes on the field sheet, and then select that server. So once I select the server here, here's my server. I'm gonna hit accept on this. And my job is done. And then if you have another job to add or create, it's gonna dump you right in here, so you can go ahead and create another job. So let's say that the attorney was not part of the database. Like you don't have it on the database like I did. So let's try to do another one. Here, my summons is on the first page. I'm not changing anything. I'm just going to leave it like this. I'm going to hit process. So Amy's doing his thing. She's picking up on all that data. So I don't have the case again. Let me create the case. Here's my case number, plaintiff, defendant, Brevard County Court. I don't need the word court in it, so I can just do county. And then I don't have the attorney. So this attorney is not one that is in my database. So I'm just gonna, I can either hit cancel or just leave it like this. Probably if the client is not a client that is in the database either, we're just gonna leave that alone. Here it picked up on civil action summons. So then if you have like a complaint with exhibits or whatever it is, you just kind of finish that up. So it picked up on natural person. There's John Smith, the address, and then here's our attachment. So let me do view by server, and then I'm just gonna go ahead and create the job. Now, you do need to go back to job basics, and in this case, not only are you going to add the server, but you do need to add your new client and your new attorney. So that has not been added to AiMY yet. That will be hopefully in the future at some point, but just wanted to let you know, in the event that you adding a document using AiMY and the client or the attorney is not in your database, you're just gonna go in here and add new client, new attorney as you would normally. And then at the very end, you just hit accept and you're good to go. So if you guys have any question regarding this feature, we're very excited to release it. Please give us a call, contact support. We're here to help you in any way we can. And as always, have a happy PST day.